Hey, why are you driving like that in a residential area?
What was that?
Why are you driving like that through a residential? You just came in here hot as hell.
I did it.
You didn't? It's a camera, dude.
I didn't think I was.
What? You were. You came in hot. You came in through there about 40 miles an hour.
I was definitely never free.
Well, we'll find out, won't we? Yeah, this came over the radio as an eviction, I believe.
Hang around for a second. We'll really through what's that. Alright, gotcha. Okay, so real safe.
So there is an issue on it.
Gotcha.
I'm right here. There ain't nobody to tell you. Yeah.
So Patrick's from guy.
Patrick's the you can tell the difference. I've got a phone call right now to a friend of mine who's homeless advocate. Trying to find some space for Tammy and
Hey, Patrick!
The front door's not even unlocked. We have to go to the back.
door? That bill right?
That's the only way that I can know to get it. Well, they going through the window, but yeah.
Do you have Patrick's number? About the case number. Can you give him a call real quick, please?
So it just sounds like it's a squatter. This guy's got the road blocked.
That would be good news to know. I mean, I'm showing up here now only because yesterday they said 3 guys in the ski mask came up here putting that problem. Well, I think Shelby, she wanted to get the fuck out of here. She doesn't know what the hell's going on. Fuck Dan's lying to her left and right. I have a court order. Nobody can be here. Say that again? And I want them arrested. Okay. And he knows. I have no idea if you're right just yet. I've got cops all around me. They don't want to talk to me. The man I came up in here. I'm thinking I was going to have to deal with 3 rape calls.
Your auditor?
He goes around to a bunch of different calls.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Activist officer.
Yeah, possibly. I'm still trying to get up to the damn river, dude.
I don't know why he doesn't help her.
Yeah.
He's over here.
I got fucking stuck
He helped her get her program.
Mr. Praise about this phone call.
He wants to expend it. Yeah, they don't want it.
Was this posted?
Yeah, of course we're supposed to. The sheriff does their job.
Yeah.
We're not questioning them, are we?
No,
Okay.
not at all.
Okay.
I was here when they did it.
All right, well, let me let you
It
go.
was her,
Let me let you go.
the other lady that's in here. They all got evicted by the sheriff.
All right.
I think he came down too.
Hey,
He didn't threaten us then, though.
Straight up. Sir,
Hold on. Just give us a second. We'll talk to you here in a second.
I just wanted to apologize. I'm sorry for the manner in which I came up here.
None of that
Yesterday I was
matters.
told
It
three
helps
guys in
me.
ski masks
Sometimes
were here
they take
threatening to
faster
rape
when
me,
you
so I
threaten.
was expecting to find rapists here. Or at the very least
All the more
people-
reason for them not to come back.
Yeah, I agree. I didn't know Tammy was lying this whole time. If I'd have known that, I'd have told Shelby to get the hell out. Sorry about that earlier, man.
Hey, what's your name, boss?
Jason.
Jason. Hey, do me a favor, Jason, real quick. Right now, you are going to be detained. Okay, just hold on. We'll figure this all out. Okay, you're just being detained at this point. You're not being placed under arrest until we can figure out this investigation. Okay, I understand that. Like I said, that's why you're being detained and not arrested, because now we have 3 different people and only 2 officers. So
Oh, okay.
Until we figure everything out, you're just going in handcuffs, okay?
And I didn't threaten them per se. I just was threatening in general because I thought they were rapists.
Here's the thing: I don't want you to say anything that's gonna
All right, I'm just
indicate you criminally, right? Until you get read your rights or anything, okay?
No,
so just give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna have you come back here.
Read your rights. I thought he was just detained.
I know, right?
Don't say anything, man. He gave you some good advice. Take it.
Oh, my dog's in the car.
This one?
Yeah, the black one.
The one that's that?
Yeah,
Okay.
and my name is what's the name?
Hey, turn some lights on if you guys are gonna block the road, huh? Dude, they got the road completely blocked.
Cardona.
Hey, why don't you guys turn some lights on if you're gonna block the road like this?
We'll do that here in a second.
I mean, it just takes a second.
That's all.
You're not doing nothing. Staring off into space.
No, I'm actually
Might as well
watching
keep.
that window.
You might as well keep the citizens that pay you safe, rather than risking people's accidents and
I'll
lives.
turn it on just here in a second.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
We got AMR on the one. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I think you're cool.
Did your wife that work?
That works. Ready? Okay.
A little privacy. Looked like maybe he was having a panic attack. I don't blame him. That's good as
Get that?
Yeah, I'll grab it from you.
My daughter just texted me with the help for the.
Okay. We're just waiting for everyone, Patrick and everyone to come out. I know Patrick went back in. Is he? Perfect.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay.
I dealt with it.
Yeah. Everybody leaves with the police show. You know? Did they already leave? Yeah, the one just did. Okay, so can you already leave? When I saw her, she kind of walked around the corner. She was outside. She looked like she went back in the bathroom. So what we'll do is we're just dealing with all this right here. You wanted them all arrested, correct?
I don't need him arrested.
Okay. So you don't want to press charges or anything for him?
And he didn't come on the property.
Okay. So you don't want to arrest
Them I would arrest if they fucked.
Okay. So and everyone you wanted for sure. How long has it been? Okay. Have you tried to give her some type of
I have.
She doesn't?
Not before the past.
Hey,
the
don't
first time
talk to them.
She's actually made any real.
They're about to let you go.
Actually.
They're gonna let you go right
So
now.
I'm trying to
Don't
help
talk.
Very noble of you. All right. Go and step out, sir. If you'd like medical attention, they're still going to come, but I'm going to get you out of detain just. Okay. You need to, you can lean up against. Gentleman's going to be getting released shortly. We're just going to talk to him and advise him of the same thing. I don't know where Tammy went. If he's here,
Came in
tell her
hot.
okay? Taking off this and this. You have property in there? Appreciate you.
Is there a number? Should you be able to call for someone to do some
So,
things?
to get her things inside, so she can call us.
Hey, why are you driving like that in a residential area?
What was that?
Why are you driving like that through a residential? You just came in here hot as hell.
I did it.
You didn't? It's a camera, dude.
I didn't think I was.
What? You were. You came in hot. You came in through there about 40 miles an hour.
I was definitely not free.
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Yep.
What's your
Have a good
name?
day. Officer Mejia, badge number 398. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
God. These guys are actually doing real good. They've all done real good. That was a little off though. That guy coming down here like that. I don't know if I caught that or not.
Yeah, you can get a hold of the sheriff's office and figure out what that date was that they need to get the property out, okay?
All right, we'll do.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
You ever did turn them lights on, Cordona?
I'm sorry, the car doesn't turn them on when this isn't on.
All right.
It's an older vehicle.
All right.
I can only
Citizen
do so
safety,
much.
then officer safety.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
You
Have a good day.